Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, section 10, standard 10, video number 59, Introduction to Geometry, section B, tough. Let's start. In triangle ABC, angle C equals to 90, tan A equals to 1 by root 3. Find sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. See here, this figure won't be given to you in the exam, only this much would be given to you. So, C is 90. Therefore, A and B are something less than 90. Now, tan A equals to 1 by root 3. Now, which tan is 1 by root 3? Remember this table. You need not remember this whole table. Only remember sine. So, remaining cos, tan, sec, everything you will remember it automatically because many of them are just reverse. So 1 by root 3. Who is 1 by root 3? Tan of which is tan of 30 is 1 by root 3. Right? So angle A will be 30 degrees. If you don't remember that the table, then you can use this way also. 1 root 3 and then this is 2. Because a square plus side square equals to hypotenuse square. That way also you can do it. So B equals to 60. Now just what we have to find, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. We know both angles AB. Therefore sin 30 cos 60 plus cos 30 sin 60 equals to, now sin 30 is what? See this table again. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 60 is again 1 by 2. Right? Similarly sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. Solve it. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4, that is 4 by 4, that is 1. Next, if sin x plus sin square x equals to 1, then cos raised to 8x plus 2 cos raised to 6x plus cos raised to 4x equals to, here, sin x plus sin square x equals to 1. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yoguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10 plus 2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.